What if you could build sales funnel, send automated emails, and even host online courses all in one single platform? That's exactly what System.io does. It's an all-in-one marketing tool built for beginners. You don't have to juggle multiple apps and pay for dozens of subscriptions. In this tutorial, I will walk you through System.io step by step, so you know how to create funnels, send emails, and launch courses without needing any technical skills. So let's start by signing up. So on the top right side corner, just go and click on sign up for free, enter your email, and then click on get my free account. Here you have to quickly answer such things. If you have something, just go and answer it, enter your phone number. Then you will receive an email. Just go and click on this confirmation link, and this is how you are able to create an account. You have to quickly fill up all this information, your first name, last name, password. Click on I'm not a robot and click on save. For those who don't know what is System.io, it's a platform designed to help entrepreneurs and creators run their entire online business from one place. With System.io, you can build landing pages and set up email marketing, manage products, create online courses, and automate everything. Instead of paying for separate tools like ClickFunnels, MailChimp, and Teachable, System.io combines them into a single dashboard that's easy to use. The first thing most people build is a funnel. Now here if you go to the sites and here click on sales funnel, and once you go and click on here, just go and click on create on the top right side corner. You have to name. So here let's say I'm going to name here Ron, right? Choose your funnel goal. I mean Ron is my name obviously, and this is a funnel domain. So if you want, you can change the funnel domain here. Now you can build an audience. So what's your funnel goal? You want to sell something, you want to collect information, or run an evergreen webinar or something like that. So for me, I want to sell here. Now you have to select this currency. So it is in euro, but let's say if I want to select my currency something else and I want to set it as a US dollar, now click on save. Now, a funnel is basically a series of pages designed to guide people for curiosity to purchase. Now, here just go and click on this funnel, open it up, and here you will find a lot of things. So, for example, first of all, it will give you a configuration, which is mean we have to edit this entire thing, entire page. Now, how you want your page to look like. So, click on preview template. It will redirect to a new page here, and this is how it's going to look like. So it's completely up to you which one you go with. So let's say I like to go with this one. So I will check out how it's look. So this is look like this, and here I will just go and click on select. Now this is an order form, right? So you can see here this is how it's look. You can change the name here, right? The URL. So let's say I will just write here URL here. That's Filex. Once I do this, here you can see this is a affiliate commission, right? And what's the affiliate commission? You can just put it here. What's the sales limit? What's the commission payout delay and everything, right? So what kind of products do you sell? It's a physical product or digital products. You can select your physical or digital. Let's say it's a digital, then you have to select one of the product, right? Which you can make it later. Now, if you want to edit this entire page, just go and click on edit page here, and you will be taken to the editor, and now you can edit this entire page. So if you want to add a text, you can change it. For example, almost there, I don't want almost there here. I can just write here almost here, or let's say my brand name, I can put my brand name. I can change the specific service I am paying, right? So I can change it everything. Even I can change the image, and that's really easy thing to do. And so it's completely up to you. Once you're okay with it, you can just go and check out how it's look over mobile phone and how it's look over. You can just play it out, and this is how it's look over browser, right? And this is a preview mode here. You can't use this URL. I'll just go and click on save, and once you save, click on exit page. And once you're okay with it, just go and click on view funnel here, and you can see here this is the entire funnel which we have made. My customers can give the name, last name, the email, and once they are able to, we have to choose a payment method, which we will do here. Now this is an automation rule. So it's look, we don't automation is something where you don't have to do something manually, you can automate it. If you are doing A/B testing, then you can do the A/B testing. If you are running two kinds of landing page and you want to check which landing page gives much more conversion, so you can choose here. Now click on choose a variant, and here you can choose a different kind of variant and with a different goal, and you will able to create A/B testing. Now this is called stats. So how many orders you have got, what's the kind of daily sale, monthly sale, average cut sale will show up here. It's a lead. If you're generating any kind of lead from landing page, will show up here. It will show you the exactly total sales, how many transaction you did, right? And this is the entire thing. Now this is the order form here. You can create more than one pages. This is a thank you page. So once your customers have purchased something from you, whether whatever you're selling, whether it's a digital or physical product, and this is how it's going to look, thank you page. So once they have purchased, you can give them a discount so that next time they come, they can buy at a good discount, and this will lead to increase your conversion. Now this is an inactive page. So for some reason, if the URL is not working, then it will lead us to this inactive page. Now you can edit this inactive page. It's completely up to you how creative you are, and you can do a lot of things. For example, on your opt-in page you might have a headline, a short description, and form asking for name and email. Just drag the blocks on the pages and style them to fit your brand. Once someone opt in, you will want to send them emails. Now you can go to the emails and you can send it. Now this is called funnel settings. So we have already did it. Now let's get back. That is a funnel list. So these are the funnel list. You can create it. Now click on view and you can just view it. You can share this entire URL. So for example, if I just take you to a new page, let me show you. This is my URL, and if I share it, automatically this is the entire funnel we have made it, right? So this is really interesting and simple thing to do. Now when someone opt in, you will want to send them emails. Now you can just go to the emails here and you can click on campaign. So you can create a campaign, give it a name. So let's go and click on create, and let's say I will just give here email camp, right? And click on sender email. So there will be one sender email. I can select here. I can write description and just go and click on save. So simply you have to enter the email address. So I want this should be my sender email address. Guys, if you're not able to add your email here in the campaign section in the create, it means that you didn't verify your email. So make sure you should have verified your email. Now to do this, just go to your settings. Now go to the emails, and here you have to add an email. So here you have to just add your own domain, and depending on domain you can add your own email. Click on email. Now I will just use my this email. Click on save, and you can see it's not verified. So here you have to verify it. So just go ahead back to your email here. Now once you're here, this is your sender email. Now just go and enter your sender email here, and make sure just go and click on save. As you can see here, to send emails from this email address, you need authenticate its domain. So you have to add a domain here, then only you will able to send email, and then only you will able to create a campaign. Now System.io also have this option of newsletter. If you want to send a one-time email blast to your list, create newsletter. So you have to simply just go and click on newsletter. Now here you have to select your subject line. So I'll just write here test sub, and here select sender's name, then select email address, right? And as I told you, to add your email address you just need to verify, and here you have to select a template and then just go and click on save, and automatically you can send this entire email to your list, right? So it's great for announcement, launches, or promotion. Now let's talk about the courses. Courses, you can find it under asset section. So just go and click on courses. If you want to sell knowledge, click product. You can sell here product or something like a physical product or digital product. Courses is mainly considered as a normally digital product. Now here you have to name it. So in this case, I'll just write here on, and then you can give a URL path here. So I will just write here filex. You can name it anything, and once you have added your domain, then it will become completely shorter. And here you can select your theme. So let's say this theme is by default selected. I would like to go with this theme, and click on save. I can later change it, and once I've created, this is the one of the courses. Then you have to add a module. You can add a module. You can just view and customize your entire theme. Now as we know, we have to upload some of these courses. So here you have to just go and click on module, and here let's say I will just add here module 1 and click on save. And once I go and click on save, here I can add lecture. So let's say this is lecture 1, and there's a delay. I can just write of 10 minutes, right here I want to enable comments. It's completely up to you. And which kind of preview do you want to set? So I want to check that this is a good preview. Let me check it, and it will redirect to me a new page and I can check it. So this is how it's going to look like. Once you're satisfied, just go and click on select template and go and click on save. Same way you can just keep adding lectures and keep adding module here. Same way, if you have students, so uh, whatever number of students you have got enrolled will show up here, so you can check it. If you have created any kind of bundles or courses, will start showing up here. So it's completely up to you how you want to just make this entire section into a good theme, and then you can start showing up your courses. Now payments are simple to set up, so here you have to just go to setting on the top right, and here you can click on payment gateway. Now here you will find a lot of options here, so let's just go and click on, I am going to use Stripe, so I will just go and click on connect. Here you have to enter your email and then click on submit. Make sure you already have a Stripe account. If you don't have, then create your Stripe account right now, and once you log in, you will able to add Stripe as a payment gateway, and you can accept all this payment through Stripe. Now you can manage your subscriptions, or whatever subscriptions you have taken from system.io, you can manage it. This is your email, the courses which you have created, the payment settings, how you're going to receive payment. Payment settings and payment gateways are completely different. Payment settings, are you going to charge any kind of taxations or GST or VAT on whatever products you are selling, right? And on which currency it is going to show up. So grant access only after receiving the first payment. So you can change it. This is the entire terms and conditions. You can change it, right? Because TNC is very important, and it's completely up to your business model, and you can just completely make it. You can use AI even in it. Now this is sales funnels, so how you are going to use it, but you can just leave this if you are not able to understand, because this is UTM parameters. So sales UTM parameters, it means that you can, for example, you're giving this link over Instagram, YouTube. So how you gonna count in, or how you gonna analyze that how many customers came from Instagram and how many customers came from YouTube, right? So in this way you can create different kinds of link for a same product or same sales funnel. This is shipping settings. So shipping settings is basically if you're selling any kind of a physical product. So here you can create shipping service, and here you can just turn this on and you can save it, and you can add your own address, right? Affiliate program. So obviously if you're doing any kind of affiliate program by using system.io, you can use it. This is also custom domain. So this is my custom domain right now. It is given by system.io, and it's completely free, but you can add your own domain, and this is how it's going to work like. And this is a public API key. If you're using any kind of automation, if you're connecting through N8N or Zapier, this is where this API key is going to comes in handy. And there's a much more option, but yeah, this is enough. This is integration. That's what I've told you. I've already explained, but yeah, integration will help you. You don't need to juggle between different application. You can use all this application directly in system.io. So that's your beginner friendly walkthrough of system.io. If you want to start building funnels, sending emails, selling courses all in one place, click the link in description to create your free system.io account today. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe.